Hi seniors. Dreaming of stress-free travel but worried about comfort, safety, or mobility? These 10 Amazon travel gadgets are not just tools, they're game changers, helping you stay independent, relaxed, and secure on every journey. From innovative mobility aids to smart safety devices, you're about to discover how travel can be easy, fun, and totally hassle-free. Plus, I have included the product links in the description, so you can grab your favorite right now. First up, the walking cane with seat. This ingenious gadget combines stability with rest. It's perfect for long waits at the airport, museum tours, or outdoor adventures. Simply unfold the lightweight seat when you need a quick break, and you've got an instant chair. The durable yet portable design ensures it's travel-ready, offering peace of mind and support wherever you go. Say goodbye to stiff necks and restless flights with this unique travel pillow. Unlike standard travel pillows, its wraparound design provides 360-degree support. No more slumping or awkward adjustments, it cradles your neck perfectly, even in tight airplane seats. Plus, it's compact and easy to carry, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. The Medline Steel Rollator Walker is a game-changer for elderly travelers who need a little extra support. With a 350-pound weight capacity, adjustable height handles, and smooth rolling 6-inch wheels, this walker combines durability with ease of use. What's more, its built-in seat means you'll always have a comfortable spot to rest, whether you're in a bustling airport or enjoying a city tour. And when it's time to pack up, it folds easily for compact storage. For those who need more mobility assistance, meet the super handy Passport mobility scooter. Lightweight, foldable, and airline-friendly, this scooter is the ultimate travel companion. Powered by included batteries, this mobility scooter delivers up to 13 miles on a single charge with a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. The batteries recharge quickly in just 1.5 hours, so you're always ready to go. Designed with a padded faux leather seat and adjustable handlebar, this scooter offers a smooth ride and easy maneuverability. Whether you're navigating an airport or exploring cobblestone streets, this scooter ensures nothing slows you down. If you are traveling solo or navigating unfamiliar places, then this safety alarm keychain is your tiny yet powerful travel protector. With a simple pull, it unleashes a piercing 130 decibel alarm, designed to deter potential threats or quickly alert others. But that's not all, it also features a rechargeable LED flashlight with a strobe light mode, perfect for lighting your way or signaling for help. Compact, discreet, and travel-friendly, this keychain ensures safety is always at your fingertips. Tiny print on travel documents or maps can be frustrating, but this lightweight, LED-illuminated magnifier makes reading effortless. Whether you're deciphering a boarding pass or browsing a local guidebook, its crystal-clear lens and ergonomic design make it a travel must-have. This portable, sturdy handle easily attaches to the door latch of most cars, providing a secure grip for individuals who need extra support when getting in or out of a vehicle. Its ergonomic design and non-slip grip make it an excellent option for those with mobility challenges, arthritis, or other conditions that affect balance and strength. Compact and lightweight, it can be easily stored in your car for convenience. It also doubles as a seatbelt cutter and window breaker, adding an extra layer of safety in emergencies. It is the ultimate tool for enhancing both mobility and security on the road. This compact pill organizer is a smart and practical solution for managing your medication schedule. It features a single beep alarm and an LED alert system to remind you when it's time to take your pills. The digital display allows for easy tracking of medication times, ensuring you never miss a dose. With multiple compartments, it keeps your pills organized and separated by time of day or medication type. The easy-to-use design makes it ideal for seniors or anyone who needs assistance staying on top of their medication regimen, offering both convenience and peace of mind. This book reading light is a portable and user-friendly accessory perfect for bedtime readers. Featuring 2 adjustable brightness levels, it provides soft, glare-free illumination that won't disturb others. The flexible gooseneck allows for precise light positioning, while the sturdy clip securely attaches to books, e-readers, or other surfaces. With its USB rechargeable battery, the light offers long-lasting performance without the need for constant battery replacements. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for travel or nighttime use, offering a convenient and comfortable reading experience wherever you are. This wrist blood pressure monitor is a compact and reliable device for conveniently monitoring your blood pressure at home or on the go. Designed for ease of use, it features a clear digital display with large numbers, making it user-friendly for all ages. The cuff fits comfortably around the wrist and provides fast, accurate readings of both systolic and diastolic pressure, along with pulse rate. It also includes memory storage for tracking previous readings over time. Portable and lightweight, this wrist monitor is perfect for maintaining your health with regular and hassle-free blood pressure checks.
This portable travel bidet offers gentle, hygienic cleaning anytime, anywhere. Designed for on-the-go freshness, it features a compact, lightweight design that fits easily in your bag or suitcase. With a rechargeable battery and multiple water pressure settings, this bidet provides a customizable and eco-friendly alternative to wipes or toilet paper. The ergonomic nozzle ensures precise cleansing, while the leak-proof design prevents spills. Whether you're traveling, camping, or at home, this bidet delivers a refreshing, hands-free clean wherever you need it. This telescopic stool is a compact, portable, and adjustable seating solution perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Designed with high-strength plastic and a collapsible mechanism, it extends and locks into place at various heights, accommodating different seating needs. Lightweight yet durable, this stool can support up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for camping, fishing, gardening, travel, or even extra seating at home. The adjustable height feature ensures comfort, while the foldable design allows for easy storage and carrying. With a built-in handle and strap, it's convenient to take anywhere, offering a comfortable seat on the go. This neck fan provides a hands-free cooling solution with a sleek, wearable design that wraps comfortably around your neck. Featuring a bladeless design for safety and quiet operation, it delivers a powerful airflow through 360-degree air vents, keeping you cool from every angle. With multiple speed settings, you can customize your cooling experience based on your needs. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use, making it perfect for outdoor activities, commuting, workouts, or simply relaxing at home. Lightweight and ergonomic, this neck fan offers a convenient and stylish way to beat the heat. This head safety helmet is designed to provide extra protection for seniors, reducing the risk of head injuries from accidental falls. Crafted with lightweight yet impact-resistant materials, it offers reliable cushioning while ensuring comfort during daily activities. The helmet features an adjustable strap and breathable padding, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit without causing discomfort. The soft inner lining absorbs shock, while the durable outer shell provides effective head protection. Ideal for elderly individuals with mobility concerns, balance issues, or those recovering from medical conditions, this helmet helps promote confidence and safety at home or in care facilities. This carry-on luggage is an airline-approved suitcase designed for hassle-free travel. With a 42L capacity, it fits perfectly in aircraft cabins and train overhead compartments. Built with impact-resistant PC material, this hard-side luggage protects your belongings from bumps and scrapes. Its front opening compartment provides quick access to essentials, including a 15.6-inch laptop, making it ideal for business and leisure trips. Stay powered on the go with built-in USB and USB-C charging ports, ensuring your devices never run out of battery. The expandable design adds up to 20% more space, allowing room for extra items when needed. Plus, the embedded double locks enhance security, keeping your belongings safe throughout your journey.
And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone planning their next adventure.